Again, make sure that you log in and take your attendance each and every day. We're going to look at day 3 for the first week of quarter 3. And so, again, we're going to look at students solving two-step equations using inverse operations. This is what we've done for the last 2 assignments. This video will be posted here. Make sure that you're logged in to IXL through Clever. You can click here and log in. When you click on the link, you want to make sure that your name is up here in the corner so that your score counts. And so when I'm solving these types of problems, I just go through them and I do order of operations backwards. And so when I see a problem like this, I'm always going to start with the minus or plus 5 or whatever it is. So this is minus 5. So to get rid of minus 5, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And so what ultimately ends up happening is the 2r drops down, the 5's cancel, the equal sign drops down, 3 plus 5 is 8. And then I'm left with 2 times r equals 8. So to undo 2 times r, I'm going to divide by 2. And then the 2's will cancel. R is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. So again, I would type in 4 right here. And I would hit enter. And then I'm going to get a different problem, but you'll notice it's still similar to the type of problem that we just did. And so I'm going to start with the minus 2. So to get rid of minus 2, I'm going to have to add 2 to both sides. And so once I've got that done, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. 3z drops down. The 2's cancel. Equal sign drops down. 7 plus 2 is 9. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. The 3's will cancel. Z drops down. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So again, I would just type in 3 here. And for the most part, you'll see that those are the same type of problems. I'm going to jump a level so that we can show you a little bit different ones. You'll see that this one now says 3 equals u divided by 4 minus 1. I like to flip the problem around so that the variable is on the left side. So I would flip it around to where it says u divided by 4 minus 1 equals 3. I'd still start with, to get rid of the minus 1, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And so u divided by 4 drops down. The 1's cancel. Equal sign drops down. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 to undo the divide by 4. The 4's over here are going to cancel. You're going to be left with u. And then 4 times 4 is 16. And then I'm simply going to type in 16 here and hit enter. And we move on to a similar type of problem. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump this another level so that we can see all the different types of problems that they would offer. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, this is like one of the problems that we did the other day. I'm going to rewrite this to where it says j plus 75 divided by 5 equals 7. The first thing I'm going to get rid of is this 5 because both the j and the plus 75 are being divided by 5. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. And then the 5's are going to cancel. J plus 75 drops down. And then 7 times 5 is 35. And then to get rid of plus 75, I'm going to minus 75. You can use a calculator. J is going to drop down. The 75s are going to cancel. The equal sign drops down. 35 minus 75 is negative 40. I would just go up here and I would type in negative 40. And so we go back to a similar type of problem. This is a little bit harder, but relatively the same steps. So for this one, this will be the last example I give you. If you have questions, you can always Google the topic two-step equations, and it'll show you videos if you don't like this video. So we're going to do this last problem, and then we'll get going. We'll finish up this. So it says r divided by negative 7 plus negative 53 equals negative 47. So one of the cool things is that whenever you have a plus negative, you can just get rid of the plus sign. It's the same as saying minus 53. And so how do I undo minus 53? I add 53 to both sides of the equal sign. And so if I add 53 to both sides, what ultimately happens is r divided by negative 7 drops down. The 53's cancel. The equal sign drops down. 47 plus 53 is negative 47 plus 53 is positive 6. Then to undo divide by negative 7, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 7. And what happens is the negative 7's cancel. The r drops down. 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. Again, you can use Desmos Scientific Calculator if you would like. Negative 42. You'll see we'll click submit, and we have it done. Remember that this minus negative is actually going to turn into j plus 28 divided by 9. Be careful there. That's a trick. They're trying to trick you there.